Welcome to Rehab My Patient. Let's go through how to create an exercise plan. Just sign in, and this is your patient dashboard where your exercise plans will be. So let's create, either click this top button, create new plan, or you can click the button here, create new plan. Doesn't matter which one you do, they both go to the same place. Here's the exercise categories. We've got amazing exercises and categories here, loads of stuff to choose from. Let's just go to lumbar spine. Let's add a cat camel. Let's add a chair rotation and a floor rotation. There's our exercise plan. Let's add an advice sheet. There we go. There's our plan, and let's name our plan. Add your patient here. You can click this plus button to add a new patient, or select your existing patient. If you want to add safety netting or safety net warning, you can. If you're not bothered about that, you can switch that off. Now this can be turned off in the settings by default. In this case I'm actually a little worried, so I might just add a cord or coin, a red flag. Press continue, put in your sets and reps, and press save. Email the plan, and if you want, WhatsApp it and SMS it. I haven't actually put the patient's email address in for this because it's a demo patient, so it won't email. Same with SMS and WhatsApp. If you want to copy it to your clinical notes, click copy and copy text summary, and then Control V to paste it into your clinical notes. We always recommend printing a program as well, and you can attach a diary to the printed program too if you want, which is really cool, by the way. Well, that's it. Just finally, you can translate into over 40 languages. How cool is that? Okay, that's it. Enjoy.